that one.
I got it.
Oh, good one.
Awesome.
I got two too.
Oh. You want one too, darling? Oops, I probably hit your back. Okay, I'm gonna get you. Good. Got it.
They're eating together.
They're eating it together.
You went through yours.
I got one.
Yeah.
Mm,
Oh, you want to do it, babe? I'll get a picture of you.
No, no, I'm good.
Oh,
This is
okay.
more for them.
got one.
Here you go.
That's a big one. Oh, good one.
They're eating together.
Throw it. There you go. Throw it, Olivia. Let me get over here.
Oh, sorry.
Do it.
Do it. Yay.
Oh no, he got his beak. You done, Cookie?
You got more, Sophie?
I got one.
Go ahead.
Here, you want to try? Or what?
Done. I done. Cause I think
Here
I'll
you go.
get that baby one.
There you go.
Yeah, throw one to the baby one. Throw one really far.
It's too far.
The bird got it.
You can feed the dolls too.
Throw it really far. There you go.
I only got one left.
You only got one left.
Oh, that was far. Oh, that one's hidden too.
Not touch too far. Yeah. Oh no.
I got.
All gone? Okay, let's clean our hands up. Alright, so put your hand over the bucket. And there's soap. Oops. There's soap in there. Yeah. That's it. Alright, come over here. Over there. Let me do Sophia first and then you do the second, okay?